in the studio or on the streets, from the classroom to the stream, on the job or on your side hustle. Meet the mic you've been waiting for. Hooke Lav by Hooke Audio, the first wearable Bluetooth microphone designed to capture pro-grade sound without wires, dropouts, or bulky hardware.
In a world where content is king, your sound matters. See what I mean? With your phone's built-in mic, a little background noise, or a little distance
will leave you fighting to be heard.
But with Hooke Lav, it's never been easier to capture clear, professional-grade audio at any distance, to any device.
To use, just press the power button, then slip Lav onto your shirt with the light facing inside and start recording.
Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga with Maria. I'm Maria, and today we're practicing standing poses.
Lav's minimal design features a lightweight steel clip that won't stretch or pull fabrics, with a matte finish to minimize unwanted reflection. Cut the cord and slip on the smallest wearable mic that records wirelessly to any mobile device through Bluetooth 5.0. Use one Lav to record alone, or pair with a second for 2-channel input, perfect for interviews, podcasts, and more. We learned from our work on the Hookeverse that Bluetooth reliability can be an issue, and in your audio capture, there's no room for mistakes. That's why Lav is equipped with internal storage, backing up every capture in real time, so your audio is seamless, even when Bluetooth is not. You don't do everything on a mobile device. That's why we created receiver mode, allowing one Lav to receive audio from the other and transmit it directly into the audio jack of any camera, syncing your sound directly to picture. This can also be used to override the internal mic on any smartphone, so you can use Lav with the apps you love most. Hooke Lav was created to capture audio to your mobile device or camera, but it doesn't have to. In island mode, Hooke Lav can record independently and store the capture on board until you're ready to connect and transfer the file. Your content is only as good as it sounds, and this is the mic you've been waiting for. Back now and help us make Hooke Lav a reality. Hooke Lav, be heard.